Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a role on Shopify account. So first we're going to go to the Shopify app. You guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then after that we're going to click on roles. So as you can see, these are some examples of roles, but you guys can click on the plus button on the top right corner to create a new role. So we're going to name the role. For example, I renamed it as product reviewers. Then next we're going to insert the description. So I chose the following description for that role. So this product reviewers are going to review the product we're going to send to customers anonymously. So I'm going to insert that into the description box. Then after that, we're going to insert the permissions. You guys could click on select all permissions, but it's going to show us the sensitive ones. So you guys can turn them off. So after that, after you check everything, you guys are going to click on save on the top right corner. So as you can see, we've added a new role. You guys could do this again and again. This is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.